So it's here.
Yes. You missed the turn. Well, at the intersection.
Oh my god.
Okay. I love the GoPro, but maybe you should have also bought a GPS. Here. Don't you remember? That's where the road always makes that weird sound.
Oh right, yeah. It's like
hear your tires
it's like
gripping now.
I feels like sounds like fluid is leaking or something. Like your oil gave me a heart attack. I'm glad it's still making that.
Yeah.
It still sounds like fluid is coming out. I'm looking in the back mirrors to see if there's any oil. Does Burger King actually close at 9?
Yeah.
Even the drive-thru?
Yeah. We're just, well, you know, on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Friday, Saturday they stay open late, and I have no idea why. Everything else there, the Tim Hortons, the Kentucky Fried Chicken, all that stuff's open. And so all their money just, Mary Brown stays open.
Huh.
That's nice. Tow truck. Yeah.
Right?
Oh, keep going straight till you get to the. Go through the intersection.
Jeez. Dad, I'm saying left.
Left. Up there. At the side of the road. Turn in here. To the right away. It's on an angle. Angle.
Jeez.
Very steep. Squish up the seat.
Why is my high beams on?
You probably hit it by accident.
Alright, let's get some treats.
Keys?
Whoops.
Right.
See how he drives my car.
First off, I'm not wearing my dad costume today. Got the Shelby shirt on. Man, you moved the seat back too far.
I know I did, yeah. But I got the best angle.